My best foot forward is stumble at best. Don't hold the cards too close to the vest. And I'll take the high road, even if it ain't that cool. Dodged a few Sundays, that offering plate. By the time I get to sorry, it's a little too late. Learned more from my mistakes than I did in school. And I've gambled it all 1,000 times and often come up short. I know I don't when I ought to give a damn.